first time getting the car to drive, and you know what, it's looking sick. Oh, the Polo 2.1 GTI build is alive next to our Zafira VXR build. Look how clean this Polo looks. I cannot. Wow. Whew. Broke something there. You broke something there. Oh, it's my plugs. This 2.1 GTI Polo build is idling perfect. We got the idle correct and now it's purring. But we have an issue. It's now currently overheating. And the reason for that is because the coolant fan or the radiator fan are not kicking in. Let's go ahead and let's see what we changed on this car so far. So we changed the throttle body because it was a really bad idle. We changed the relays for the radiator fan. We changed the ignition barrel because this was broken. We also changed the airbox filter housing. Is it a housing? Well, whatever that is. We changed the coolant pipes. We changed the throttle position sensor. We even changed the thermostat, the rad or the coolant cap, as well as a couple of grommets. We also changed the radiator because we did a front facelift, and as you can see, this is the old slam panel, and now the car is idling perfect. As you can see, we have got the facelift front slam panel. Not to forget, we also changed the ECU and the speedo cluster. Even saying that, there's still a lot more to do to this project or this build because it's missing a front end. Not just that, it's also missing a complete interior. All this project started from this steering wheel. So in today's episode, we're going to complete the interior and get the front end done and get this car running right and making sure we get the radiator fans are kicking in so the car doesn't overheat. Big question is, can we save this Polo from scrap? Why do I call this a 2.1 GTI? Well, it's not a 2.1 GTI. It's actually 1.2 3-cylinder engine. And all I've done is I've changed the 2 to the 1 and the 1 to the 2, so it's become a 2.1 GTI. We are finally moving forward with this project build, and today we've got some seats, front bumper, front grille to go on the Polo 2.1 GTI. So let's get cracking. As you can see, I've already started removing parts from the car because it was filthy and we got a lot of stuff, and I've already got the front driver's side seat in there and I don't want to take it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean the car from inside, hoover it up, hoover the back, move the driver's side seat to the back, hoover the front. And the reason why I don't want to take it in because it was mission putting in because that steering wheel kept on coming in the way. As you can see, we've taken a lot of trash and there's a lot of trims over here which would save us time and money to put back in the car. Also, we've got some nice, I want to say juicy, but we've got some nice sub wires over here. So we can put a nice amp and a sub. So everything's already set up for us. Now we can go ahead and hoover the car. I was just about to hoover the Polo and check this out. Abs, I bet you haven't seen it either. What's going on there?
I saw that.
You spotted that, yeah?
Yeah.
It's the first time I've seen it.
It's both sides.
Oh, is it? Let's have a look on the other side. All right, Abs is saying it's both sides, so let's have a look. Nope, this one's empty. Why would someone put a picture over here? Comment below and let me know. We finally got the car all hoovered up and look how clean it's looking currently. So we are ready to install our interior. That is looking absolutely clean. And we finally got the interior in. We got the rear seats. We got the car all cleaned up. If you can see, look at that. Looks nice and clean. It's finally looking like a car from the inside, apart from the dash, which we need to put back together. But I mean, look how nice and it's cleaned up. So now we can move on to the front end. We can put the front bumper on, the grille, and then the headlights. So these headlights have seen better days. As you can see, they do need to be sanded down and cleaned up the lens, but it is a facelift version, so we are going to go ahead and put them on for now. I'm not going to connect anything. I'm just going to place it in position just to see how they look. So I've got this. Something like this. Oh, you might be in trouble. What do you reckon, I was going to be in trouble with the frame? Could be. I think we are. I think we're in trouble. This might not work, this facelift conversion. Oh, not a good idea. So we managed to get the headlights on. However, we are having issues. So as you can see, it's not sitting on properly. Reason being because this side of the frame, I think we might have to cut off this much. But we're going to see with the facelift car, which we've got a donut car over there. We'll have a look at that. If we need to, we might have to cut a bit of the frame. Just trim it a little bit so the headlight can sit inside. But I mean, to be honest with you, it's not looking too bad. We've got the facelift headlights on. Can we put the bumper on with the headlights on the car? Let's have a look. Fingers crossed this fits nicely. Oh yeah. Maybe not, maybe yes, maybe yes, maybe not. Yeah, it's on, but it is out of alignment, so we definitely need to trim this side of the frame to get the front bumper and the headlights aligned. However, in today's episode, we have achieved front headlights, front bumper, and the complete interior,
including cleaning,
including hoovering the whole car from inside, like Ab said, including, yep. I mean, a lot of bonus going on over here, but let's see how far we're going to get with that. But yep, check it out. It's looking nice. Interior is looking nice too. So we just need to put the door cards, complete the dash trims on, the air vents, side trim panels. And we definitely need to do something with the front end. Can you comment below and let me know, whoever's done a front end conversion or facelift conversion to a 9N Polo, round lights to these lights, do we need to cut this side or trim this side of the frame? Guys, I hope you enjoyed the episode. I know it wasn't a lot we've done, but we have achieved a lot. The car is looking like a car now. If you haven't, consider to like, subscribe and share, and we shall see you in the next one.